breezy this morning. It feels good out. Yeah, after 100 degrees, 95 degrees. Yeah, not bad. The monkey's working. So here I have the tractor and the Grapple. And I struggle with these. These connectors, they're hard to get on and they can be hard to take off. I've already disconnected the tractor, the quick attach. Still can't get that off. This side can always come off, this side never wants to go on either. But yesterday, Angel held it and we were able to get it on and functioning. You want to try and do that again? Push the button and move it to the right. And hold it there. I still can't. Okay. Yeah. Yeah, that's what I'm wondering. Okay. Okay, try. Nope. Okay. Let's put the other one back on, and maybe it has to complete the circuit.
Okay, maybe I have to take them off instead of what you put them on. Now that one doesn't want to go on.
Okay. See, if they went on like that, it'd be no problem. But okay, go ahead and push it to the right. Okay. Yeah. You're holding it to the right?
Yep.
Okay. Nope. Okay, go to the other way. Nope.
Huh. Well, now what?
Now what? That's a good question. Now what? Well, the obvious solution would be we just keep this Grapple on all the time.
We can't carry water buckets
Yeah.
in the Grapple.
I know.
That would be messy.
We had a good time taking down a tree the other day, and that worked well yesterday. But we've got to find a solution, and this is just real frustrating with these flat face connectors. Not everybody has these problems, but we seem to. But there's hi Julia. Julia has a solution. What's the solution?
I don't even know the problem.
Okay.
Call a mechanic. She's not a mechanic. She pumps gas. Pump gas and drive trucks, don't fix them.
Okay. So we want to, I've got new fittings coming right here to replace these. And my goal here is to switch them to these right here. The quick connects, the Pioneer quick connects, they're so much easier. They're so much easier to connect. We got a combine across the street over there. That even if they don't want to fit on, you can just bump them and they fit. Then they snap on. So we're gonna get new parts. They should be in by Wednesday, according to the tracking. And we're gonna see if that provides a solution better than these flat face connectors. Because even if we are moving this, we just cannot. They're not reliable to get on and off. And it's very, very frustrating. I don't know what we'll do for right now. I suppose we'll just loosen it and take them off for now. We also got another interesting toy. Let's see what it is. See if it works. The hydraulic fittings that I ordered are directly from Summit Hydraulics. And their price on changing those out was half the price of anything on Amazon. And even through the Summit store on Amazon. So it also had free shipping. So hopefully that's good. This here is a slip clutch for the PTO, and we can adjust those. I think that's the purpose of it. That way, when we are out in wherever, if we hit a root or a stump or a rock or anything like that, we will not be shearing pins off all the time. Instead, we will, this will spin instead. It also has the advantage of bringing out the PTO shaft by 4 inches, making it easier to connect. At the same time, we'll have to probably cut off some of the shafts, but that's neither here nor there. Alright, that's the new toy. We'll see if we can get this on too. This slot right here that you see for the shaft, it came pre-greased, but I wanted to add some more into it. Here is, let's see. Okay. Got to tighten it. Okay, so when the pin is like this, over to the left, well, it depends on if it's on top or bottom, it is loose, and when you have it over like this, just like your other stuff, well, I can't do it. Okay, so when it's like that, you can slide it in. When it's over like that, it's locked. I usually see those in spring tensions, but this is going to be tightened with a bolt. There we go. That's all the way on. We'll have to remove this guard for now. I can't get back behind it and lock it in. Okay, that's where it's going to go on, and we are going to try to put this pin in. Well, I can already spot a problem here, and I'm going to guess you can too. Okay, so that's on, that's tight enough. This here may be a problem. We will not be able to put the hitch pin in unless we bring it up from underneath. I suppose that could actually work. I don't think this is going to be too much of an issue, because I have never used this yet. When I tried hooking up a hay wagon, when we moved hay last fall for my dad, The hole was not as big as what this is, and it wouldn't fit anyway. So I have never actually used this. I've never actually used this hitch right here. I'd love to use it more. So I don't think it's going to be as serious as an issue as I'm making it out to be. I don't know. How often do you use yours? Put this pin back in. Maybe. There. Since I don't use it much, I don't think it's going to be an issue. I use the PTO shaft a lot more than since I've never used it. You can see how well the plate's holding up here. Feel all that? Feels good. Yep. Everything's in place still. That's from where the tractor broke. I think this will work. Putting the guard back on may be an issue. I think the guard might be more important now than ever though. Since this whole thing is spinning, before it was just a shaft, each one of these has a potential to actually grab and catch on something. You know, something like that. Okay. Something like that. It'll be definitely easier to get to, but I do think the guard's going to be real important now. Not sure how to get these back in. They don't want to go in. Maybe the ones up here will. Okay, for right now we're just going to put the top two in, because I'm not sure how to get the lower ones on. So we're probably going to have some vibration until I can get the ones back underneath tightened. I think if I could get it started, I could make it work. But I can't. They're in the wrong place. I need a swivel or something. Anyhow, you can see how this went on. This part went on easy. The guard though, not so easy. We're gonna see if Jerison can figure out how to use the grapple. There he goes. As long as he doesn't drive through the garden, he's good. See if he can pick it up. Whatever works. You've got all the weight on the end.
Pick that up with ease. Get in.
It probably stabbed it on the end. There's an easier way to do it.
How's that?
Put it down. That's a heavy log. Now, yeah, it's a, I think it's a white oak. Well, it's not white oak, but it's an oak. Okay, this time, instead of going like this, or like this, go up from the top and down.
Another log in the way.
I don't think it would bother you. Maybe it's a great way to split logs. Just go up to them and bite them. Now you can bring it clear back if you want, but it's almost like the grater box is not enough weight on the back. I might need to.
Yeah, you can feel it leaning forward.
Yeah, but obviously you don't want to drive around with it high up, especially if. Yeah, when you see the whole end of the back end of the tractor lift up. Yeah, so it could be dangerous. I think, what would it be like if you didn't have the grater box on the back?
Yeah.
It would be bad. It has no problem lifting it though.
You can really hear the strain on the engine.
Yeah, but it's also at the lowest RPM. Oh, you just broke my concrete.
Oh, it did?
No. But it takes a little bit of practice. But you can pretend you're... We named it Rex. Angel said she wants to paint some eyes on it.
You could weld on two little metal and paint them as eyes.
We can use some scrap ACM and print and do it. I can see how the grapple is going to be a lot of fun in Texas. Or Texas? Why am I going to Texas? Kentucky, down there. Wild lettuce. Very tasty. I guess it's the season to buy new toys. Actually, no, I bought it months ago. It just came in. Gotten my new box blade. This one can angle and tilt without having to adjust the tractor. Jerrison's coming over now to help me get it out. Well, the tractor's coming over. We're going to be able to use this to put in ditches and grade the drive and also to plow snow.
Where do you want me to go?
Come forward and then back up through here.
I just go look around.
Let's try it. Go slow.
Can you go make that?
Okay, back up. Come down slow.
Oh, you want me to stop?
No, not just drop. Slow. Okay, stop. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna put down the angle for it. Okay, well, I'm sure it's tight. Okay, now this part here needs to tilt down.
So you need to rotate?
Yeah, I'm not exactly sure what. So this is supposed to pop into here. Does it just rotate? I guess so.
Oh, the hydraulic thing?
Yeah.
Oh, that's not supposed to be. I thought that you could open. This one?
That's one of them. Let me hold down before you take that one off, because it's still a circuit right now. What if we... Okay, now try the bottom one first.
Bottom one? How do you disconnect? You pull down?
Yeah. Not happening?
I don't think so. I don't know if I'm doing it right. No, it's not wanting to. Oh, you push it forward. I can't get.
Okay, let me turn it the other way now. Okay, now try it.
Well, this one popped off.
Well, and that's what we... That one can go on and off with no problem. It almost makes me wonder if there's a defect in the valve or in the coupler.
Yeah, I don't know. Yeah, I can't get it.
Because that's...
I don't know. I don't want to go.
Yeah. How's everybody doing? I'm glad to be here with you. Guess what I got? Now today just happens to be June 19th. No, June 20th. Yesterday was June 19th. And I ordered from Summit Hydraulics. I got those new couplers for the tractor and for my Grapple. And hopefully they will replace these right here. The flat face connectors. And hopefully, they will be much better. Because last night, or for a couple of days, I tried removing the Grapple after when I was done with it. We'd gotten it on, which took a while too, and thanks to John from Walnuts and Wineberries, he helped us get it on. He gave me some tips. Once we got it on, we couldn't get it back off. One of the connectors just would not come loose. So I ended up having to loosen the bolt right there, or the coupler itself, on that 1/2-inch fitting. So today, I finally got the new connectors. These new couplers are right here. I ordered them Thursday afternoon. They shipped out Friday from Arizona, and I got them on Monday. I have to give a shout out to the Postal Service because that was incredible, especially considering that today is a federal holiday, and they still got it to me. I was impressed. We're going to get started, and we're going to see how long and how difficult it is going to be to change out these connectors. Looking at this, and the wind's picking up. I don't know if you're going to be able to hear me or not. Here they are. Right there. Question I have is, do I want both female on here and both male on the attachment, or do I want to make it male and female where they could possibly let's see. I think I'll do the male and female on both units. Okay. They came with the nice. These right here, and I want to talk about this because these were half the price as what they were on Amazon by ordering them through Summit. I was impressed. Very, very much impressed. Free shipping too. I would gladly order from them once again because these look great. Okay. And the last one right here. Just gonna leave these on. They even came with the caps. So I should just go just like that. And off. Hopefully, this solves our problems. We are going to find out. Before I began, I had to go make sure that I still had my Teflon tape. There's no point in starting if you don't have it. Okay, first one we have to take off. I think that'll be first, and then that one. Maybe. This is the one I had to loosen to get it off yesterday. I put the wrong end in, stupid. Oh, excellent. Okay. Excellent. I think this is going to work. So here's, you ever wonder what the back side of the couplers look like? Here's a comparison. Actually look pretty similar on the inside. See that? Okay. Before we finish this one up. Not to the side. I think it's work. It's just like the salt that comes on. So I think it's on the right. I almost don't think I even need this 90 degree anymore. We'll check that out.
Next one. I don't want to booger up any of the threads. There we go. Now we're probably going to have a little bit of fluid leak out of here too. There it is, a little bit. Let's make sure this thread's on. Okay, it does. The whole NPT threads and versus other kinds of straight threads and everything else has kind of confused me. But I think I'm starting to understand it after doing some research. Okay, everything's changed. So why would I want to do this? Well, I think I explained earlier, I'm just tired of not being able to get this connected. It's just very frustrating. Hopefully this solves this problem. Hopefully these new couplers will make it work. These are Pioneer 3/8, Pioneer 1/2 inch connectors is that I'm using. And they go onto my existing, I don't know if these are what these are called, but junctions or fittings just fine. You really need to open your transmissions line up once in a while, your hydraulic lines up once in a while, so you can keep your tools lubricated, keeps them from rusting. We are ready for the test. We're going to pull the tractor forward. Before we hook everything up, including the front, we're just going to first of all make sure this works. You pop this one off, this one over here. Okay. Nice. That's just like on the back end now. I think it's even the same size. Pop that. Nice. Okay, so far, success. Now I really can't count that as a success yet because these lines are not pressurized yet. So we're going to do a little bit with it. We got to try to get some of the air out of the lines, come back, try to take them off. That's going to be the test. And also, if we want to, then we'll put it back on too. Maybe we need to pray first. Probably wouldn't be a bad idea, not only for this reason though. Okay, let's try it. Oh my goodness. Okay. Oh my, is that serious? That easy? Okay, we're gonna go out and do some testing, and we're gonna lift, because if it's really that easy now, I'm gonna kick myself. Well, figuratively. I don't think it'd be healthy to actually kick myself. Well, the first test went fantastic. So anybody who's struggling to get the flat face connectors on, that is these right here, these, switch to something better. This is so much less frustrating. I can actually do it. Let's go and check and see if we can lift a log, come back, and take it off again. Well, let's just try it. This here is a solid oak log, and it is pretty large. You can see my hand on here. My hands aren't that big though. And we just cut this up from the storm the other night, and it is heavy, really, really heavy. Now it could be longer, but it is what it is. Well, so far I'm impressed with these quick couplers. Let's drop it down and see how we can, how well it disconnects. Well, heck, I'm not even gonna disconnect it. I am just going to try to do it one-handed. Wow. Okay. Took two hands to reconnect it. Come back to this side. This was always the problem one. And maybe it is going to be a problem. Let's see here. Okay, we pull it forward. It is under pressure. So let's try something here. Okay, now we're gonna try it. Oh, I switched it the wrong way. Okay, never mind. It does go fine. You push it down, not forward, down. I'm still getting used to them, I guess. That's my excuse. So here's the conclusion of the matter. The Pioneer connectors are tremendously better. If there's any issues come up, I'll let you know. But until then, I am happy. I can switch these out, no time at all, and much, much less frustration. I appreciate you watching. I need you to subscribe. Thank you. Have a great day, and God bless.